What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check a product review on AliExpress. So you want to go ahead and find that product that you want to check the review for. So let me go ahead and find something. So let's say I take this HDMI cable here and I want to check the review for this. I need to scroll down under the page and you will find first you'll see a section called review gallery. You can click in that. It's going to show you like pictures, videos and so forth. But if you want to see all reviews, you can simply, once you start to scroll down on the page, you will see overview at the top, and the next and beside that it's reviews. You can tap there. Alternatively, you can also scroll down and you'll find the review section of this page as well, and towards the right it shows the arrow. You can click in that and it's going to also take you over to the review page so you can find reviews for that product. So both ways you can actually tap to find the reviews. Now once you find the reviews, by default what's going to happen here is that it should show you the latest review at the top. However, you can always go ahead and filter that if you so desire as well. So if you're not seeing reviews the way how you want, you can go ahead and you can filter them. So once you tap on it, you can simply click and sort by default here, and you will see the latest, and it shows the latest reviews at the top right here, so you can see those reviews. And that's it. And if you want to see reviews with pictures, you can swipe across and you'll find images. It's going to show you, you can see from your country, and you can also see messages and so forth there as well, so that you can actually get at least more visibility what the product look like, the latest reviews and comments, what people are saying or what customers are saying about that specific product. And that's it.